Hey guys, Frank Rich here, and today I'm doing a tutorial on how to program your Lingyi gaming mouse. Now as you can see, I have the Amazon page left open with the actual gaming mouse, so you can see the model that works with this program. So that is nice. It's a very cheap mouse. I actually highly recommend it. I've got my review in the description if you'd like to know more about this mouse. Very, very cool product. Anyways, so you're going to want to go to the link in the description, and it is at their factory's website, csunchina.com, and we have the M102 software driver. So you're going to click on download, and I've already downloaded it, and once that's done, you're going to click on install. Alright, so once it's finished installing, you are going to see the desktop shortcut, Lingyi gaming mouse. So you're going to click on that. So here you can see all of the controls for the actual mouse. You can reprogram what all 6 of the buttons on it do. Now, the advanced settings has pointer precision, wheel speed, how fast the wheel will scroll, and fire speed for when you're clicking on the mouse. You can also export and import control files. Alright, now we have the LED section, and here you can change your LED status to be slow, fast, static, or off. So that's very, very cool. Now a lot of people are wondering how you can set up macros for video games, and I will show that in just a moment. The Lingyi gaming mouse software allows you to reformat buttons to do different things. For example, if you'd like to change the DPI button to do something different, first you'd go to Advanced Settings. Under Name, I'm going to do Test 1. You click on New and it creates this new macro. Now you click on Record and press the keys that you want it to do anytime you press this button. So I click Stop, Save, Apply, and once you go to Base Settings, let's say you want to change the DPI button to do your macro, Test 1. So click on Apply, and once you open a new tab, if you press the middle button, it will do WASD-SA. So that's how you program these mice to do different things for you. If you play specific games, you can format it to do complicated things for you. So it's very, very useful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope it helped you guys. Thanks for watching.